The Stihl AutoCut C 26-2 trimmer head made in Germany is a high-quality product designed to enhance the performance of your string trimmer. This AutoCut head is compatible with a wide range of Stihl string trimmers, including models FS55, 55C, 56, 56C, FS70C, FS87, FS94, FS100, FS120, FS130, FS250, and FR450. The trimmer head uses a C26-2 blade type and has a standard diameter of 0.095 inches, ensuring efficient and precise trimming. Featuring a double line for trimming and mowing, the Stihl AutoCut C26-2 trimmer head ensures optimal performance for all your lawn care needs. The nylon line is fed automatically by tap action, making this tool easy to use and maintain. With a review score of 4.4 and more than 100 reviews, this trimmer head stands out for its high customer satisfaction and reliability.